Okay, so we all know these, right? Well, today I decided to learn every single one. And if you don't know, there are thousands of pages of these. I hate myself. Though I still hope you enjoy the video. First of all, what are we trying to make? What do we name the level? Triggerino Learnino. Is that a good name? I think so. Yeah, it is a peak name. That sounds like you're trying to open a Spanish restaurant. Or like a Mexican restaurant. Triggerino Learnino? Oh, no, Italian, I'd say. Harry Potter spell, exactly! Alright. The question remains, what do we want to make? I have absolutely no clue. Or do we actually try and make something with triggers? Make it right. I can't make a rate-worthy level. I've been trying to do that. I also kind of want to make it a platformer. We need like a chill song. How about Kevin McLeod? Kevin McLeod. Kevin whatever. Kevin. What about Kevin? Where's Kevin McLeod? Kevin McLeod. Kevin whatever. Kevin Cloud. What's a good Kevin McLeod song? How about this one? Wait, I know this song! A game where you're like a zombie that does parkour. I'm pretty sure one of them used it. We should just go through every single trigger, alright? And learn how to use every single one. Wait, since when is this here? I didn't know this existed. Oh, is this a mod I have? 2.2? Yeah, but like, I don't remember this being here. I swear on my mama. So obviously you click this plus, right? If you don't click this plus, it's like color channels, which we don't really need. I know how to change the background color. Boom. But then obviously we make a touch trigger and stuff. Let's just make a touch trigger for now. What is copy color? Okay, I don't understand. So channel ID, I'm guessing this is, you know, color channels, right? So let's say I make the background red. Can I now do copy color, copy the background color onto ground 1? Is that how it works? And then put the brightness down a bit. Is that how it works? Yeah, that's how it works. Okay. I get it. There we go. Okay. So now I get how copy color works. You can also change the hue. So I can make it like, I don't know, green. Copy opacity. I'm guessing that has something to do with this. Essentially, I'm guessing it just means that if I turn... Wait, you can turn the opacity of the background down? No, you can't. But I'm guessing that's how it works. Did my game just crash? Hello? What? Blending? Yeah, we all understand blending and stuff. Okay. What is legacy HSV? HSV 2.1 HSV. I never used HSV in 2.1. Player 1 color, player 2 color. I can only select one of these, which makes sense. Ground 1. Okay, so it changes to... okay, this would be white. Yeah, okay, I get it. And what is default? Oh, default is... okay, got it. I get the color trigger. The start pause is self-explanatory. Reset camera. Wait, what? Target. Since when is this here? 2x2. Oh, I get it. Yeah, I'm guessing this is for arrow triggers because I know you can like change the channel or some stuff with it. Reset camera. Is this when you have a static camera maybe? So let's say I check reset camera and then I have a static camera right here. Okay, yes, yeah, okay. So reset camera literally resets your camera. Got it. Okay, I don't need to learn these. Because that comes later. Okay, so there is a lot here. We're gonna start simple. Okay? This is very easy. We have a group, and one block is 10. So if we move this by 10x, this block's gonna move 1. Yeah. What is small step? What is camera? What is anything? Player. Let me do player. So this just means it locks to the player. Yeah. So if I extend this by like a bunch, that's gonna stay like this. Ah, yeah, E. What about camera? What is camera? Oh, wait, what? Well, it doesn't look like it stays in the same spot. Like, it looks like it's following the camera with like a tiny bit of delay. Okay, so target mode. Center group ID. Target. Pause. Okay, player 1, player 2. If I do player 1, does that mean this is player 1? So now... if I do this, So what if I do this? Like if I do this, right? It does nothing. What about now? Wait, what? Let's just wait 10 seconds for a sec. This means all of them are gonna go here. Never mind. Now, where I touched it last, which should be around here, as far as I'm aware, the center block is gonna go here with the ones around it. Okay, yeah. That's how it works. But now, if I do parent ID 1, this essentially means this right here is a parent, and these are all of the children. The children follow the parent, if that makes sense, I think. Yeah? That's usually how it works. Yeah, it's actually the child follows the lead, bro. Direction mode. I have never used direction mode in my entire life. Does this just mean it moves in the direction of this? No, that does nothing. Oh, distance maybe. Oh! Aha! So now it's gonna continue moving. Oh, okay. Small step. What is small step? Does small step just mean it moves less? So how much is 100? 100 on small step. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 and 1/3. What is dynamic mode now? If I select direction mode and I do player 1, 100, we'll just do 100 over 5 seconds. And then we copy this and we instead move it to, I don't know, 3 without dynamic mode selected. Okay, let me check this. So this. So if I do this, and now I hit this, it's gonna move slower. If I select dynamic mode, it's gonna change the direction. Kinda. Oh, is there anything more in here? Silent. So, if I do this, and then I move this 50, and I move it instantly, does that mean? It did absolutely nothing. Oh! Oh! Okay. Wait, so you can technically make a teleport trigger with that. Let me test something. Hold on. There's a teleport trigger already. I know. Aha! Okay. So that means if I select silent, it's gonna move instantly, but it's not gonna carry me. So that's what silent does. It doesn't carry you. Now we have move figured out. Stop. Exactly. Now it's time to stop. What is use control ID? So we do 2. So if I now do this, why are you moving 2? Oh, because you have the group ID 1. Okay, I'm stupid. So now if I do this though, and I do touch, it should stop. It doesn't stop. Oh, because I don't have group ID 2 selected. Okay. So now if I do this, and then I do this, and then, yeah, exactly, it stops. Pause, and resume. Which is essentially, it's just gonna be stop, but, you know, you can resume it. So move, you pause it, and then you resume. Pulse trigger. This is just a color trigger. Do I actually need to learn something in here? Alpha trigger. There you can make stuff invisible. Cool. Toggle trigger. Even easier. Don't need to learn it. Spawn. This is where it gets complicated and I don't like it. I don't wanna. Fuck, I hate spawn. So delay. Okay, I know the basic spawn trigger. I know, okay, you can set a group and that activates another trigger and you can activate it on a delay and you can plus minus the delay. Okay, that's easy. Now what the fuck is this? Why does this exist? Okay, hold on. Let me just make a basic spawn loop. How does spawn remapping work exactly? And this is what I want to make. I want this to go down, and then I want to make it go up. And then I want to copy it and make it do the same thing, but on a spawn remap. Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna do spawn ordered. We're gonna do this on group 2. Boom. And we're gonna put this on group 1. And we're gonna do spawn multi. Exactly. So if I hit this now, this gets activated. Move it back up in 5 seconds on ease in out. And because we have spawn ordered, that means these triggers go like activate in order. So it's gonna be like this. Now, how do we repeat this? Can I just copy this and add it here? And then we do small step and we do 2 and we do -2. Watch my master trigger work. See? It doesn't work anymore. Oh, because I didn't do... So I gotta put this on 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Now it should work. Now it shakes, goes back up, and then it shakes again, and it goes back down. Yeah, okay. So now, how do you spawn remap? Original ID, new ID. Oh, wait, I can figure this out by myself. Why is it not working? Put this on 3. The original ID for the move trigger is 2. So we do original ID 2, and the new ID 3, which is the block. I mean, it works! What did I do wrong? Do I need to copy this? So, if I put this on a delay now, it's 0.1. So I need to copy it. So 2, 3, boom. I did it! Rotate trigger. I don't like what we have going on in this menu. We're gonna have a center, and then we're gonna have a monster. Okay, so what this is gonna do, it's gonna, okay? Center group ID 6, target group ID 6. And now it doesn't rotate because of this. So we do 6. 7 degrees. There we go, okay. So let's do 6. So it's gonna... Yeah. That wasn't a Wii, that was a... So what is a mode? I don't like this. So if I do player 1, this is now gonna... Oh yeah, it is pointing towards me. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's how the... What was it called again? Target mode? Aim mode. What about follow mode? Is it just the exact same thing? So it's gonna follow me? No, it is not. So I'll do 7 then. So now, if... Oh my god, dude! It's the move time? Do I set it to 0? No. Do I set it to infinite? Is it because I have the center? Is it because I have center? If I get rid of the center, is it gonna work? Why do you not rotate with me? Why do you not follow me? Follow mode follows the rotation of a given target object. Use dynamic mode to update locations in real. I'm gonna fucking freak out, yo. I'm gonna fucking freak out. I'm gonna go insane. It worked. It worked. And I'm not proud. I hate this game. This is why I stopped playing this game. And why do you not continue following me? Let's lock object rotation. Okay, this doesn't exist here. Cool. I have brain damage. I'm not gonna do this. Okay, that's all. Right? I'm not going to care about this. Whatever this is, fuck you. I hate you, whatever you are. We're not doing that. Scale. This is the last trigger I'm doing. I'm making this a 2-parter. I don't care. Okay, 2, 2, Simple. Yeah, so it gets 2 times bigger. If I divide it, it's gonna be half as small. So far, so easy. Now, it's time to pull up the wiki! Woohoo! So what if I select only move? Oh! How? So if I get rid of this, yeah, it's gonna split apart. So instead of using this, we're gonna use this. And we're going to put this on a 45-degree angle. What? What does relative scale do? Oh, because I'm supposed to do it. Okay. I'm supposed to do it like this. Okay, yeah. Now without relative scale, it does the exact same thing. I do this. Yeah, but that why does it scale like that? It's not. You're not supposed to scale like that. You're supposed to scale like not that. Hold on. I'm gonna do it here. Okay. Relative scale. It does like that. Yeah. Not relative scale. It still does like that. Why? That no makey sensey. Do I remove the children blocks? Okay, I don't get it. I'm giving up. I don't care. What is relative rotation now? Relative... no. Oh my god. I'm so dumb. I'm stupid. I'm very stupid. Okay, so I figured it out, because I was wrong the entire time. Yep, see, I figured it out. Woohoo! So now, okay, so I was stupid and I mixed up relative rotation and relative scale. Okay, so then what is relative scale then? So this is how I understand it. If I do this, and I do 2 times, and then I do divided by, and then I do divided by 4. What did that do? Divided by 8? $16? I don't get this trigger, dude. This is so shit. I hate this. At least I did something cool today. Okay? That's what I really like. I did something cool. Boom. Look how cool this is. Look how cool I am. I'm so cool. I'm fucking ending stream. I cannot do this. The amount of brain damage I have suffered through for this damn stream is so insane. Join the Discord, check out my other channels, subscribe to all of my channels, subscribe to, I don't know, me.